Some relief for passengers currently stranded at Jeju International Airport. Although strong wind advisories are still in place around the island, most flights have resumed operations. Seoul-based Yonhap news agency says flight schedules have now normalized and passengers are lined up ready to board flights home. It'll take some time for the thousands of stranded people to depart the airport, but the weather conditions are expected to permit continual departures and landings from this point on. Strong winds and heavy downpours slammed Korea's southern island of Jeju overnight, disrupting flight services and leaving about 14,000 travelers stranded at the airport.